Alright, we've brought the HSP Monster Truck back out for another go. This is the 1/8 scale Monster Truck with the CXP 0.26 motor in it. So what we're going to try to do today is a bit of a speed test on the grass. So we'll give you a quick look over the car there. As you can see, it's still brand new. So what we're going to be doing today is using this paddock here for a bit of a speed test on the grass to see how it goes. And what we'll do is we'll get it fired up and we'll come straight back to it running and see how it looks. Alright, we've got it fired up. We'll give it a bit of a speed run on the grass, see what we're getting. Nice good sized paddock here for a run. Now, last time we had it out, it achieved 70 k's on the road. So it'll be interesting to see what happens on the grass here, whether it's able to achieve the same speed. Full throttle. Wow. Let's bring it in and have a look. Alright, at the moment we've achieved 56. Ooh, very loud. Definitely doesn't free up as much as it does on the road. Full throttle. Big run. It's flat out. On the brakes. Alright, let's have another look. 61 kilometres. We're 9k short of what we got out of it on the road. We'll line it up for another run.
Not bad. That's not battery powered, is it?
No.
Not battery.
Still 61 kilometres. Definitely doing good speed down here on the grass. We'll give it a big run down here, see what we can get out of it. Here we go. Get on the gas early. Full throttle. Looks like we might have spooked Nana a little bit. So we'll go for a big run down here. I've still got frequency. Alright, let's send it. Full throttle, straight off. Let's have a look. Not too bad, 62. That might be all she's got down here on the grass. Quite a bit of resistance. Let's get on the gas early. Full throttle. It's getting hot. 62 kilometres. That's all she's got. I don't think it's going to go any faster on the grass. We'll take it down there and visit the little ones so they can have a look. Full throttle. Oh yeah, look at that, 63. That little bit more. 63 kilometres. It's not too bad on the grass. One last high-powered pass. Whoa! $63 kilometres. I don't think we're going to get any more out of that. Doesn't seem to have any more in it. Do a bit of a cool down run. So I think we'll call that at 63 kilometres. Seems to be all it's got. Full throttle again. Alright. 63 kilometres. I think we'll call it today. This is the HSP 1/8 scale monster truck with the CXP 0.26 motor, and we've achieved 63 k's on the grass. So I look forward to the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.